Welcome. My name is Thomas Letford. I'm here to talk about in this video financial management service industry that I'm working in, and our mission and our crusade to help educate families on the importance of being able to build a solid financial house for yourself, which includes three elements: life insurance, debt consolidation or becoming debt free, and then also building a long-term income stream for yourself that will allow you to not outlive your money when you get ready to retire. So again, my name is Thomas Ledford. My primary business was income tax preparation and training. Been doing that for the last 18 years. Last 12 as a business owner, and decided to add another service to what I do, and this falls under financial management service. And so to build a financial house for yourself, the foundation is laid with income protection, which is life insurance. We deal with term life only. And so that's going to be the foundational piece that's going to allow you to build the financial house for yourself. So for people who are married with children, you'll be able to protect the income just in case, say, if you both are working, if one of the spouses should pass away, the devastation of the death alone, along with the loss of income, will definitely change the lifestyle and the situation of the family dynamics at that point. And so you want to be able to replace the lost income from the spouse or partner who died prematurely, so you could still be able to maintain your lifestyle that you had prior to that. Then on top of that, we want to help you to become debt free and also build a long-term income stream for yourself where you won't outlive your money. And so it's going to take a commitment and discipline in order to be able to get that done. And for people who are already working and being responsible and doing the things they need to do for their families, then this is just going to coincide to what you're already doing inside your lifestyle in the first place. So what we do is we go out and educate families in the importance of having life insurance, which is the foundational piece for building a financial house. And then we help you to deal with getting your living wills together, a will and do a power of attorney. Just in case something happens, you can have instructions on how you want things to go. And then when it comes to you having children and you're planning for the future, for college, we help you with programs and services that'll help you be able to put money away for your children's college fund. And also, if you simply just want to be able to get out of debt that you got yourself in, we help you to be able to get yourself out of debt with a strategy called debt stacking. And I'll go into that in another video. And then the third piece is allow you to invest in some products that's going to allow you to earn and build an income over the long term that's going to help you to position yourself so when you decide to willingly stop working or involuntarily stop working because of life situations popped up, then you have some type of income put away to the side that help you to live the remainder of your life in comfort and peace. And so so that's what we simply do in a nutshell, is to go out and educate families on the importance of why you should have a life insurance policy, because life insurance is income protection, help you to get out of debt, and also build long-term income for yourself that's normally used for retirement. And so if you're looking to help yourself by taking the strategies and the things that we go out and educate families on by being a product of the product first, well, I have life insurance already set as my foundation, and now I'm working on getting out of debt. And then the third piece is set up a retirement account, investment account that's going to allow me to build some long-term income for myself. So when I voluntarily stop working or involuntarily stop working, I have a financial nest egg that's growing for me that's going to allow me to not have to suffer with being able to take care of my living expenses and my lifestyle that I've become accustomed to. And so that's what we basically do. And so a lot of people need the services we offer. And so my job and my challenge and my goal is to be able to paint a picture in such a way to get you to see the value of what we offer and the value that's going to help you and your family to leave a legacy for years to come, for your kids and grandkids, is something that we're not been educated on being able to do. And so, to be able to generate life-changing income by being able to be licensed as a life insurance agent and maybe get your securities license so you can offer the full gamut of financial management service products is the big picture goal that you want to have the mindset to eventually do when it comes to being in this industry. And it's a highly regulated industry, so we must be licensed to be able to offer and do business when it comes to life insurance, especially in the state of Illinois. And the same way with the securities license. So in the majority of my videos, I'll be talking more so about life insurance license and debt, help you to get out of debt more so than anything until I get my securities license, because without that, I'm not able to go into any specifics about that part of the products we offer. So like I say, if you're married, you got children, and you don't have life insurance that you control, not the job life insurance, but the job life insurance was designed to benefit the job, not necessarily you. So you want to have your own control over the life insurance product that you're going to have implemented for the family. And you want your own investment accounts that you control that's going to be implemented inside for the family just in case something happened prematurely, And so God forbid, life gonna happen, death gonna happen, situations gonna happen, and you want to protect yourself. That's the purpose of having insurance. Insurance is a product that's designed for you not to have to cover the cost and expense of that tragedy or situation coming about in life that you may not have the finance for to take care of in the first place. So that's why the value of having life insurance is so powerful, because it helps you protect the income. So if you have a married couple with 2 kids and they both working and y'all 30, 25 years old apiece and you got a couple of kids, and that's the best time to get insurance because you're young and it's much cheaper at that rate, and you can get $500,000, $250,000 a piece on each of y'all and say $25,000 a piece for the kids. And if you're blessed to live a longer, fruitful life, then you have this life insurance policy up there for you. You have an investment account, retirement account you've already set up that's growing for you. And so when retirement age comes and you're around to see that, then your lifestyle won't change. You still get to go on trips and vacations and do all the things you're used to doing as a part of what you used to do when you was working. So that's the goal, is to protect yourself and plan for the future. Regardless of what may or may not happen, you want to have a plan in place that's going to allow you to not suffer a great loss on top of a loss in general that's going to happen from the very nature of when death shows up. So when you get ready to retire, for the ones who fortunate enough to retire, who plan well for that, then their lifestyle doesn't change. They get to keep doing what they're doing as far as traveling and doing the things they like to do without skipping a beat, because they've done a great job of planning for their life with retirement. A lot of times we don't do a great job of planning for retirement, and so when we're trying to retire either by choice or force, then we forced to go to work another job, Walmart, Amazon, or do something to help us to make ends meet, because our income has dropped drastically due to retirement and whatever Social Security or pension, if any, or 401k money, if you have one at all, is insufficient because you didn't do a good job of planning for retirement. And so to help you alleviate that, you want to come up with a plan of action that we help you to do, that's going to build your financial house, that's going to protect you when it comes to dying prematurely or living a prosperous life being able to have money to cover whatever situation that life throws your way is what you really want to position yourself to do. So the thing I'm talking about today is simply changing your mindset to be able to see that going out here educating families on the importance of and the value of life insurance and why you should have it, and let you decide from there to take action on it is what we do. And as a result of helping families, I get to make a living in the process. And so what greater way to be able to make a living for you and your family than going out and educating folks on the importance of having life insurance for their families is basically what we do. That's our cause, that's our crusade, that's our mission. And so I want you to take that in consideration along with the tax preparation service that you have already going, and think about how simple and easy adding this skill set to what you do may be the catalyst that's going to help you to get financially free to spend the type of time you want to have with you and your family, because this here is something that's more doable that you can make happen, which you're going to have to make a sacrifice and a trade-off by making a commitment to getting life license in Indiana and being able to go out and educate families on the importance of having life insurance is the simple concept of what our mission and our cause is all about. And so I'll talk with you later on in depth about that and seeing about us making that happen over the next couple of days. And God bless you, and I'll talk to you later.